Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. Happy Friday freebie. I'm in the living room today and I'm walking with my phone. I don't know why, because I don't know, I just fancy doing something a bit different. So today, Friday freebie, but I just realized that collecting craft supplies and actually use craft supplies are two separate hobbies. Okay guys, so on Monday we made together these little clusters here, and on that video I showed you my favorite die, and finally I managed to find the name. I have asked you guys all if you knew the name of this die, because I wish to purchase some more, because they're so easy. If you have 2 or 3 of those, you put them through the big shot once and then you die cut few rather than just one at a time. So yes, I got a lovely comment and I will put here on the screen, so thank you, really much appreciated. Now the little issue is that unfortunately I had a look on eBay, but this die is all available in America. The shipping cost to get delivered in UK is over £26, and I was like, ooh, maybe not. So I will wait, but now that I got the name, I know what to find. So I keep an eye on eBay every 3-4 weeks and see if anybody in UK is up to sell that. So, but thank you, honestly, thank you to every single one of you. And also on Wednesday we made the super pockets using the Autumn in the Field pack, one of my favorite digital kit. I've got some of the pages here, that's what I got left. So the kit is huge. I think it's 13 pages if I remember correctly, but if you go back on Wednesday video, I put the link down below, you can see the entire kit. So that's the pages that I've got left. So that's an envelope. Got backgrounds. I have used 4 backgrounds to make these. Do you remember, guys, I showed you printer front and back. Then I got cards, got some cute boxes. That was on last Friday. We got some pussycat, and this week I am gifting you the postcards, because I think, guys, they're so versatile. So you can use this as a greetings card, like vintage look. You can also use it as a postcard, so you can put a stamp, you can write a message on the back. You can use that as, if you cut this, you create a little notebook that can be the cover. If you do mini journals, that can be your cover. So I thought that it's something that is very versatile. So you guys are going to get these. So how are you going to get this, you ask me? 2 simple ways. A, join my newsletter, and as I say religiously every Friday, you're sick and tired of listening to me saying the same thing. There is a playlist of my Friday freebies, and you can see the links down below, so you can, if you want to watch the videos, so make sure you've not missed any of the freebies. So you can join my newsletter and you get the freebie every week straight to your email address. You don't have to do anything, or you can just send me an email with the subject freebie, and I send you all my freebie. And also everything is available to download straight away on my Facebook group. Again, I will list all the details down below. Okay, so just want to say a big shout out to Naira. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. Naira is part of my VIP membership. She's a lovely lady. Excuse me, I put on the screen a little comment. She loved the Friday freebie, and also she took advantage of my loyalty program. And I want to take 2 seconds to say that to you guys. The loyalty program is something that the website does automatically. You don't have to do anything. When you put an order or you purchase an item, the software or the website allocate you points. It does automatically. So every purchase you get stars. I like to call them stars. I don't like to put point, because to me point is what you get on the grocery shop, and I'm not a grocery shop. Stars is more sassy, I think. It's more me. I can imagine like a yellow glittery star. That's how, yeah. But anyway, you don't need to know that. So anyway, so you get stars. And once you collect the stars for your purchases, you can use those stars to buy the kit. So instead of making a purchase and pay with your money, you use the stars that you earned to pay for that. It's a reward program, basically, guys. You don't have to do anything. It all goes automatically. So my pressure to you guys is check your account, because a lot of you got points that have not been spent. So just go and have a look, because you get free kits. You just purchase it back using stars. So really, honestly, I think it's great, because the freebies, the giveaways, and the loyalty point is the way I have to give something back to you guys, to say thank you for all your love and support that you're constantly giving me, not just with purchasing the kits, but also to watch the videos, to like them, to take the time to leave the comments. And as you know, guys, I read every single one of them. So thank you from the bottom of my heart. Okay, big shout out today goes to my designing team member. Every video I shout out to one of them, and today goes to the lovely Jen from Cut a Scrap Designs. Jen is very active on my Facebook group, and she very active on a YouTube channel as well. She does a lot of videos. I wish I had your time, Jen. So yeah, she's a wonderful creator. You see all my design team members or my creative squad, everything linked down below. Okay guys, I'm going to go. Again, all the info to get the freebies is listed in the info box in case you missed it, and just follow the instruction and you get these lovely freebies once a week. Have a wonderful weekend. Now, I will normally say until Monday, stay safe and well, but actually I got a video coming up tomorrow, which is a surprise video. It's a collaboration video, so put a reminder on your phone, on your calendar, on your iPad to connect tomorrow 9 p.m. British time, because there will be a video on my channel. It's Saturday exclusive. Just an extra video this week. I'm so delighted for that collaboration. I was really happy. Right, have a wonderful weekend, and until tomorrow, stay safe and well.